Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on types of research. Research is the backbone of knowledge creation, and understanding its types will help you choose the right approach for your MCom projects, dissertations, and future academic work. Research can broadly be divided into the following categories: basic research and applied research. Basic research is carried out to expand existing knowledge without any immediate application in mind. For example, studying consumer behavior theories, studying how people form attitudes toward digital currencies like Bitcoin. Applied research, on the other hand, solves practical problems, like analyzing the effect of digital marketing on sales growth. Example: researching which digital marketing strategy increases online sales for a company. Descriptive research is used to describe characteristics of a population or phenomenon, for example, a survey on spending habits. Example: describing the demographic profile of students opting for BCom at Delhi University. Analytical research goes deeper, using facts and information to critically analyze and interpret, for example, comparing investment returns across mutual funds. Example: analyzing why MCom students prefer government jobs over private sector jobs. Quantitative research deals with numbers, data, and statistical analysis, like studying sales performance using percentages and ratios. Example: measuring the effect of price change on the sales of a product. Qualitative research, on the other hand, focuses on opinions, motivations, and attitudes, like conducting interviews with entrepreneurs. Example: understanding why employees feel stressed in a workplace. Conceptual research is theoretical. It develops new concepts and ideas based on existing knowledge. Research based on theories, ideas, or abstract concepts, not on direct data. Example: developing a new theory of consumer behavior using past literature. Empirical research is practical. It uses experiments, observations, or surveys to test and validate those concepts. Research based on observation or experiment, data-driven. Example: collecting data on how many people shifted from bank deposits to SIPs in Bengaluru. Exploratory research is conducted to explore a problem that is not clearly defined. It helps in gaining insights. Research conducted to explore an unfamiliar problem or phenomenon. Example: studying the impact of AI tools, like ChatGPT, on students' study habits. Conclusive research, on the other hand, provides final results that help in decision-making, often supported by data and facts. Explanatory, or causal, research explains cause and effect relationships. Example: researching how job satisfaction influences employee productivity. Experimental research, research where variables are controlled and manipulated to test hypotheses. Example: testing whether a new teaching method improves student grades compared to the traditional method. Non-experimental research, research without manipulation of variables, researcher only observes. Example: observing students' natural study patterns during exams. Cross-sectional research studies different groups at a single point in time, like comparing buying habits of Gen Z and millennials. Research conducted at one point in time, with a sample of respondents. Example: a survey of 500 people on their preferred investment option in 2025. Longitudinal research studies the same group over a long period of time, like tracking consumer preferences for 10 years. Research conducted over a long period of time, studying the same subjects repeatedly. Example: studying the savings patterns of households over 10 years. Library research based on secondary sources, books, journals, reports. Example: writing a literature review on financial inclusion. Field research, direct collection of primary data from respondents. Example: interviewing women entrepreneurs in Bengaluru to study empowerment. Summary: basic knowledge expansion theory of consumer behavior. Applied problem solving, best marketing strategy. Descriptive, describe what is demographic profile of students. Analytical, analyze why, how, why government jobs are preferred. Quantitative, numerical, measurable sales after price change. Qualitative, opinions, motivations, why employees are stressed. Conceptual theories, abstract ideas, developing a new framework. Empirical, observation, data shift from deposits to SIPs. Exploratory, explore new problems, AI in education habits. Explanatory, cause-effect relationships, job satisfaction, productivity. Experimental, manipulate variables, new teaching method, test. Non-experimental, no manipulation, natural study patterns. Cross-sectional, one-time study, 2025 investment survey. Longitudinal study over time, household savings, 10 Varsh library, secondary sources, literature review. Field, primary data collection.